Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best motorcycle radio on Amazon. Motorcycle radios are electronic devices designed specifically for motorcycles to provide riders with a convenient way to listen to music, news, and other audio content while on the road. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Boss Audio Motorcycle Speaker System. Looking for a sound system that is both resilient and loud? The Boss Audio Motorcycle Speaker System lives up to these demands, and then some. For starters, they feature a straightforward design with a pair of rounded speakers funneling the sound directly to the driver. It's wired with a 12-volt setup. These speakers offer reliable sound and durable performance. Resistant to moisture, debris, and temperature, you can either connect via Bluetooth or connect it via the O port. Improving the quality of motorcycle music, this set of speakers is a solid choice overall. The only downside worth mentioning is the tricky installation demands. If you possess ample knowledge about wiring motorcycles, you might be able to tackle the job. Otherwise, the complex design requires you to take a quick trip to the shop. Number 2. GoHick Waterproof Bluetooth Motorcycle Stereo Speakers. Getting crisp audio while your bike shouldn't break the bank, which is what makes the GoHick Waterproof Bluetooth Motorcycle Stereo Speakers such a solid value pick. Meant to work on any standard handlebar, this set includes 2 mounting speakers and the mounting hardware to attach them to the bike. By using aluminum housing, the speaker tech is protected from the weather. Given the natural benefits of aluminum, it also resists overheating or issues with the cold. Featuring a 12-volt power connection, unlike many other selections, this model is as easy to install as it gets. Equipped with the ring terminal connector and color-coded wires, all you need to do is plug it in and you're set to go. Complete with USB, FM radio, and microSD files, you can opt for either manual or Bluetooth to get your music going. Affordable and effective, this makes it a worthy value pick. Number 3. Kuryakyn MTX Road Thunder Motorcycle Soundbar. In the market for something a little bit more advanced than the basic radio design? Check out the Kuryakyn MTX Road Thunder Motorcycle Soundbar. It stands out as one of the heaviest duty options, mainly in terms of its structure. The 300-watt peak power and single-amp USB port are relatively standard, but the large size of the speaker isn't. This bar rings in at over 10 inches across, mounting via brackets to the center part of your handlebars. Offering distortion-free sound at any volume, this radio incorporates advanced dome tweeters to optimize sound. It's rated at 1P66 standing for water-resistant benefits, making it safe to use in reasonable motorcycle riding weather. Combined with the heat sink and circuitry failsafes, it won't overheat or suffer over or under voltage issues. Number 4. Rockville Rock'n'Ride Bluetooth Handlebar Speakers. Need a radio that is rugged enough to resist weather damage, yet high-tech enough to keep up in the modern era? Take a gander at the Rockville Rock'n'Ride Bluetooth Handlebar Speakers. Not only are they affordably priced, but these speakers also connect both manually and via Bluetooth. Including a reliable amplifier whose wiring is designed to prevent smooth sound flow, free of static, these compact speakers pack a punch. At only 3 inches across, the speakers might look innocuous, but the design is curved to push the sound waves toward the driver. The Bluetooth range is an impressive 33 feet, with the speakers able to handle 300 watts of peak power. Durable and weather-resistant, these budget-friendly speakers make a solid value pick. It warrants a mention that, while you can use a USB connection to attach your soundtracks, this port is the least durable part of the speakers. Number 5. GoHick Waterproof Motorcycle Stereo. Want to feel the pulsing beat of your music while you drive? The GoHick Waterproof Motorcycle Stereo stands out from the crowd as a high-quality model that focuses specifically on bass. It accommodates both O and USB input, compatible with entirely wired controls. Despite this, it does offer advanced Bluetooth technology. You can use the system to stream music or access FM radio. With a range of 15 meters, as long as you're riding the motorcycle, the connection stays intact. Coming with all the hardware needed for installation, this model incorporates extreme waterproof abilities. Rated to a 1P56 standard, it can withstand rain, sleet, or snow, not that you want to be driving in that weather. Keep in mind that this is a set of 4, so make sure your handlebars can realistically fit both speakers. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.